Nightcap Coffee Mix Recipe deliciously relaxing. Welcome back, coffee lovers. Tonight, we have something special in store for you, a recipe for the perfect nightcap coffee mix. Whether you're winding down after a long day or simply craving a comforting treat, this delightful concoction is sure to soothe your soul. Ingredients: 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, a dash of vanilla extract, whipped cream, optional, chocolate shavings for garnish, optional. Instructions: First, brew yourself a strong cup of coffee. Once that's done, we'll add in our cocoa powder, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor but also add a cozy aroma that's perfect for unwinding. Next, let's add a splash of vanilla extract for that extra touch of sweetness. Now, give it all a good stir until everything is well combined and the aroma fills the air. And there you have it, our nightcap coffee mix is ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize it to your liking. You can adjust the sweetness or even add a splash of your favorite liqueur for an extra kick. Absolutely divine. This rich and creamy drink is the perfect way to unwind and treat yourself after a busy day. So go ahead, grab your favorite mug, and indulge in a little self-care with our nightcap coffee mix. Cheers! Thank you for joining us tonight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy sipping!